Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a text-to-speech Python programming with few lines. Maybe it is a 4 or 5 lines which you are going to convert the text to speech, and whenever you are going to write anything, it will just read or it will be just coming from your speaker. Now for that we need one Python module or package, and that is called, and you are going to install like pip install pytt sx3. okay, you need that package, and when you are going to install, I have already installed that one, but you are going to install. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to import py like ttxs3, and I'm going to just say that engine is equal to pytt x3 dot initiate. First we are going to initiate, and we also going to just wait and run and wait, and in between we are going to write our code. For example, voice should be maybe voice is equal to engine dot get property, and here we are going to write voice, and next you are going to write engine dot say, and that's it. Engine dot say what you want the engine to say or the machine to say. Okay, hello, hello, how are you? And that is my engine. It should say something like, and now I'm going to run the program,
Hello, how are you?
and it will say hello, how are you? And you can add like engine dot say the next line, maybe what are you doing today? I am going to wait for you to come to my home. Maybe a big sentence, right? Now what I'm going to do, just run.
Hello, how are you? What are you doing today? I am going to wait for you to come to my home.
Okay, that's it. If you are like you want to change the voice to be a female version, you can also do that as well, and you are going to write like engine dot set property, and here you are going to write like voice and voice, and the voice should be in like 1, 0 is for male, and 1 is for female dot id. Okay, and now once I'm going to, maybe it will come after that sentence. Okay, now it's okay. We are going to run the program. Okay, we have to figure out what is the problem, and we are going to see that one. Okay, here you need like in get property voices, since you need more voices, and it should be like voice number 1 or voice in the, we have a list which should be 1, the 0 is for male and the 1 is for female. Now you can.
Hello, how are you? What are you doing today? I am going to wait for you to come to my home.
Okay, once again, if I am going to change that with 0, you can heard now about male voice.
Hello, how are you? What are you doing today? I am going to wait for you to come to my home.
Okay, there is a few line of the code from the Python, and using pytt sx3 package for Python, and it will just convert all your text to the voice. Hope you got the idea, and thank you.